Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Design. Today we are excited to show you the trending and beautiful winter outfit bodycon dresses. Make sure to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Hi friends, are you ready to get trendy bodycon dresses? Let's talk about the latest winter bodycon dresses trend. From cozy to stylish, we have got to scope what hot right now. Want to see some amazing winter bodycon dresses outfit ideas? We have got some inspiration to share with you. Want to take your winter bodycon dresses to the next level? We have got some expert stylish tips to share with you. Want to know the best way to style your winter bodycon dresses for your body type? We have got some awesome tips and tricks. Hi friends, want to see some amazing winter bodycon dresses? We have got a haul to share with you. Want to ask us some and question, you are answering your burning fashion question. That's it for today's video friend. We hope you found some inspiration for your next outfit. Remember, always be confident and stylish. Subscribe, like and share for more trending fashion content. Winter bodycon dresses are vibrant and eye-catching dress perfect for nightlife. Height waist black bodycon, off-white bodycon dresses are chic and dresses for any occasions. Hi friends, want to take your styling skill to the next level? We have got some winter bodycon dress styling challenge to help you improve. Want to know some secrets to styling your winter bodycon dress? We have got some hacks to share with you. Hi guys, want to know what hot in winter bodycon dresses for 2024? We have got the scope on the latest trends. Want to know the best way to style your winter bodycon dress for different occasions? We have got some awesome tips and tricks. Want to ask us some questions about winter bodycon dresses? We are answering your burning fashion question. So, material silver bodycon dress, a shimmering and fantastic dress for a fashion statement, a luxuries and glamours dress for a night out, a classic dress for any occasions, a blood and elegant dress for special occasions, and a romantic and feminine dress for a fashion forward look, a romantic and feminine dress for a fashion forward look, a edgy and chic dress for a night out, a sparkly and fun dress for a party, sleek and modern dress for a fashion forward look, a blood and sassy dress for a night out, a trendy and stylish dress for summer, a chic and sporty dress for any occasions, a vibrant and eye-catching so any question of fashion content and beautiful ideas, latest video, please like, share, beautiful comments. As the leaves fall and the temperature drop, we invite you to cozy up to winter with our latest collection. Warp yourself in warmth with our soft and snacks, can't wear From silky sweater to cozy cardigans, our pieces are designed to keep you toasty all season long. Brave the elements in style with our waterproof and insulate outwear. From parks to pea coats, we have got you covered. Add a touch of winter wonder to your outfit with our festive accessories. Add a touch of winter wonder to your outfit with our festive accessories. From facts for hats, the cable kin scarves, we have got the perfect finish touch. Step into winter with confidence in our waterproof and insulated boots. From ankle boots to knee high, we have got the perfect pair to keep your feet warm and dry. So why wait? Cozy up to winter with our latest collection. Shop now and stay Shop now and stay warm all season long. Unchatting and warp yourself in the season. Warp yourself in the softness of our luxury skincare. From chutney oversized sweater to cozy fitted cardigans, our pieces are designed to keep you snacks and warm all winter long. Whether you are longing by the fire or strolling through the snow, our kitwear has got you covered. And brave the elements in style with our waterproof and insulate outwear. From parks with flags for hoods to peacoats with elegant buttons, our outwear is both functional and fashionable. Whether you are seeking down the slopes or walking through the city street, our coats and jackets will keep you warm, dry, and looking great. Add a touch of winter wonder to your outfit with our festive accessories. From flax flower hats with sparkly poms to cable kin scarves in rich blood colors, our accessories are the perfect finish touches to your winter look. And do not forget our warm, waterproof gloves to keep your hands toasty and dry. Step into winter and confidence in our waterproof and insulated boots. From ankle boots with roped soles to knee-high boots with elegant buckles, we have got the perfect pair to keep your feet warm, dry, and stylish all season long. Whether you are hiking through the woods or strolling through the city, our boots have got you covered. And for those extra special moments, we present our limited editions winter pieces. From luxuries for trimmed coats to handmade one-of-a-kind kitwear, these exclusive items are sure to make you feel like a winter wonderland queen. So why wait? Step into the magic of winter with our latest collection. Shop now and cozy up to the wonder of the season. Warmest wishes, warmest wishes from our family to you. Brave the elements in style with our waterproof and instilled outwear, engineered to keep you warm, dry, and looking great no matter the weather. from parks with flags for hoods and adjustable cuffs to coats with elegant buttons and tailors. Our outwear is both functional and fashionable, perfect for seeking down the slopes, walking through the city street, or simply enjoying a winter wonderland stroll. Add a touch of winter wonder to your outfit with our festive accessories designed to bring a pop of color and a dash of magic to your winter look.